Was about to plus verb for work. I was about to share the news. I was about to provide training. I was about to analyze the data. I was about to make a decision. I was about to set up a meeting. I was about to send the invoice. I was about to make a decision. I was about to share the results. I was about to brainstorm ideas. I was about to review the policy. I was about to provide feedback. I was about to share the agenda. I was about to offer my insights. I was about to submit the report. I was about to address the issue. I was about to complete the task. I was about to initiate the project. I was about to propose a solution. I was about to check my calendar. I was about to request a meeting. I was about to send you an email. I was about to suggest a change. I was about to take a coffee break. I was about to discuss the budget. I was about to schedule a meeting. I was about to suggest a new idea. I was about to ask for your opinion. I was about to make a reservation. I was about to meet with the client. I was about to explain the process. I was about to update the website. I was about to contact the supplier. I was about to discuss the strategy. I was about to finalize the contract. I was about to prepare the agenda. I was about to offer my assistance. I was about to make a reservation. I was about to review the proposal. I was about to review the proposal. I was about to give a presentation. I was about to conduct the survey. I was about to research the market. I was about to print the documents. I was about to update the software. I was about to order more supplies. I was about to hit the save button. I was about to launch the campaign. I was about to start the negotiation. I was about to launch the campaign. I was about to start the negotiation. I was about to order more inventory. I was about to discuss the strategy. I was about to order office supplies. I was about to conduct an interview. I was about to initiate a new project. I was about to order new equipment. I was about to set up a project team. I was about to ask for your approval. I was about to analyze the financials. I was about to share the project plan. I was about to set up a team meeting. I was about to share the project goals. I was about to leave when you called. I was about to address the feedback. I was about to ask for your feedback. I was about to analyze the sales data. I was about to analyze the sales data. I was about to start the presentation. I was about to address the concerns. I was about to set up a product demo. I was about to submit my resignation. I was about to set up a meeting room. I was about to introduce a new policy. I was about to send out the invitations. I was about to send a follow-up email. I was about to set a performance goal. I was about to set a performance goal. I was about to suggest a new initiative. I was about to send out the invitations. I was about to request additional staff. I was about to make a software update. I was about to review the project scope. I was about to share the project vision. I was about to update the spreadsheet. I was about to discuss market research. I was about to create a new document. I was about to analyze the competition. I was about to share the marketing plan. I was about to implement the changes. I was about to invite you to the meeting. I was about to introduce a new product. I was about to prepare for the interview. I was about to start the conference call. I was about to confirm the appointment. I was about to make a recommendation. I was about to request more information. I was about to make a software upgrade. I was about to make a strategic decision. I was about to prepare the sales forecast. I was about to review the contract terms. I was about to initiate a new partnership. I was about to create a new project plan. I was about to create a new project plan. I was about to schedule a team meeting. I was about to share the project updates. I was about to make a strategic decision. I was about to prepare the annual budget. I was about to review the project timeline. I was about to discuss the sales strategy. I was about to review the project budget. I was about to request a budget increase. I was about to analyze the market trends. I was about to prepare the annual report. I was about to make a recommendation. I was about to address the quality issue. I was about to order new office furniture. I was about to set up a customer survey. I was about to order new office supplies. I was about to make a website redesign. I was about to share the project updates. I was about to share the project timeline. I was about to request additional funding. I was about to set up a new project team. I was about to provide a progress report. I was about to share the quarterly results. I was about to evaluate the performance. I was about to provide a progress update. I was about to provide a progress update. I was about to order marketing materials. I was about to suggest a training initiative. I was about to review the project timeline. I was about to organize a training session. I was about to book the conference room. I was about to share the progress metrics. I was about to address the software bugs. I was about to set up a training workshop. I was about to request a marketing budget. I was about to request a marketing budget. I was about to suggest a training program. I was about to review the project schedule. I was about to review the project progress. I was about to discuss the product launch. I was about to discuss the marketing plan. I was about to discuss the project timeline. I was about to share the project objectives. I was about to schedule a training session. I was about to share the project objectives. I was about to make a technology upgrade. I was about to suggest a training program. I was about to order new office equipment. I was about to request additional resources. I was about to share the project milestones. I was about to update the company website. I was about to order promotional materials. I was about to order promotional materials. I was about to address the safety concerns. I was about to make a strategic acquisition. I was about to share the project milestones. I was about to make an equipment upgrade. I was about to make an investment decision. I was about to update the company policies. I was about to request a budget reallocation. I was about to make a strategic partnership. I was about to request a budget adjustment. I was about to request a budget adjustment. I was about to update the company website. I was about to make a process improvement. I was about to discuss the product roadmap. I was about to update the employee benefits. I was about to share the news with the team. I was about to address the customer's issue. I was about to discuss the budget allocation. I was about to review the customer feedback. I was about to make a technology investment. I was about to set up a team-building activity. I was about to review the project deliverables. I was about to initiate a process optimization. I was about to order new marketing materials. I was about to initiate a cost-cutting measure. I was about to prepare the sales presentation. I was about to prepare the marketing strategy. I was about to discuss employee engagement. I was about to initiate a company-wide survey. I was about to discuss the marketing strategy. I was about to prepare the presentation slides. I was about to schedule a performance review. I was about to suggest a marketing campaign. I was about to schedule a team-building event. I was about to address the employee concerns. I was about to schedule a team-building event. I was about to address the employee concerns. I was about to update the employee handbook. I was about to suggest a team-building activity. I was about to address the supply chain issues. I was about to prepare the marketing materials. I was about to suggest a process improvement. I was about to update my social media profiles. I was about to prepare the financial statements. I was about to suggest a team-building exercise. I was about to address the customer's concerns. I was about to update the employee evaluations. I was about to make a product recommendation. I was about to address the manufacturing issues. I was about to address the customer complaints. I was about to make a website redesign proposal. I was about to share the project progress metrics. I was about to address the supply chain challenges. I was about to request a marketing budget increase. I was about to discuss the customer service strategy. I was about to suggest a customer feedback program.